Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media. In this video, I want to talk about why we use Calendly to streamline our appointment funnel. As a digital agency that helps tons of businesses scale online, we're constantly booking meetings with clients and leads. Historically, this has been a process that takes up a ton of time and involves a ton of emailing back and forth. We understand the value of time in growing a business, and so we aim to streamline that process as much as possible. This is where Calendly came in. Calendly is a scheduling platform that allows us to book meetings without the back and forth that's usually required to find a time that works for both parties. Calendly also integrates seamlessly with our calendars so that our clients can see our availability and book a time that works for them. This eliminates the need for long email threads and helps us be more efficient and productive. In addition to streamlining our booking process, Calendly also allows us to send out automated reminder emails so our clients never miss a meeting and they're primed with what to expect before their meeting starts. This ensures that our meetings are more productive and we're able to deliver the best results possible for our clients. If you're looking to scale online and even make your processes more efficient, we'd love to chat with you and learn more about your goals. Use Calendly to book a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that works for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with clarity and confidence. If that sounds appealing, then book a strategy call. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.